I can't handle 6 more weeks of winter personally. I'm gonna cry. Hey y'all. So I just wanted to give a little update. Yeah, we got this bad boy up. I can't remember if I filmed it or not. I don't know if it's gonna make it into a vlog, so if not, I will insert the footage here because it was traumatizing. Okay, let's try this again. Just to be the time. Oh my god. Okay, this is where I got fucked up last time. I have so many commands. Do you mind helping me push on it? I don't think the back is like flat. Dude, I know, but I literally have so many strips in there. They just need to like. But other little updates. This looks kind of cluttered and I know I needed to like sort it out. I just don't know how to properly organize this, but look how pretty. I can give you guys a grand tour of it right now, but I'm just staring at her from afar and my vision board for 2023 is stunning. I'm obsessed. A lot of my goals this year are to save money and get really in tune with my health. So a lot of it is just like eating better, eating in, having dinner parties, Greece, because I'm hoping I'm good to go this summer if I get approved for work, fingers crossed. But you know, just like wholesome things. Tony and I did it for a few hours last night and it was therapeutic, let me tell you, because after the freezing that we've been having, it's been so ridiculous. And I haven't been able to leave my home all week, so that was a good little distraction. Hello everyone. Yes, I am no longer at my apartment. I am braving the Arctic tundra of the downtown Dallas area to try to make it to Mason's house. Hopefully I don't die. I will let you guys know how this goes. I feel like this is the best snow that you will see in all of Dallas. It's really not, hasn't been that bad. I mean, granted, I'm literally driving like a grandma. I'm driving so slow because I'm not taking any chances, but yeah. Oh my god, all the trees are so icy on Mason's Road. Oh, it's so spooky.
Record Mr. Growly. Hey, Mr. Growly.
Oh my god. You're a boy with the long snoot. Ooh.
No, Buck, you can't go.
So I got this Olipop yesterday and I've never tried it, but I have been hearing that it's really good for digestive health. So I got the vintage cola flavor because I don't like orange and that's all that they seem to have. Yeah. God. Ooh, interesting. Prebiotics, botanicals, and plant fibers. That's pretty good. All right, here we go. Off to Bella's birthday dinner. Little fit check. A little Roy check. You ready?
I actually really don't like. I really.
Well, happy birthday, Miss Belle. Are you gonna try the pho?
No.
Why? That's so rude.
I don't know. Just checking in here for the vlog. Has to be vlogged. Has to be vlogged.
Oh my god. Why? You're joking. Why?
Well, I took it like a shot.
It's supposed to.
Well.
And then you just chew on the noodles, you loser.
It wasn't going like a shot.
Are you just gonna swallow the noodles whole?